The trend we believe in is cooperation and comprehensive technology integration, not competition. We create product values for customers, which help their business stay competitive. Sogotec Precision Company Limited. About us. Founded in Taiwan in 1990, Sogotec Precision Company Limited had lived up to the four core concepts: refinement, customization, automation, and globalization, and created the Sogotec brand into globalization marketing. We actively work with customers for ODM as well as OEM and the joint development of markets. We insist on Made in Taiwan to expand our global sales network, which helps us to be recognized by customers and increase our sales. We also work with several international agents in Japan, Korea, China, and Thailand to provide real-time services for customers. Our products. We've engaged in the development and manufacturing of PCB routing machines since 1996 and worked with well-known European companies to produce multi-axis PCB drilling machines. As of today, we have developed a complete range of PCB routing and drilling machines. We've laid a solid foundation for precision machines manufacture. For ODM equipment, we serve our customers with our rich experience. In 2016, the Automation Department was founded to integrate automation design with Industry 4.0 technology concepts, as well as the customization service for each industry. After gaining a firm foothold in various fields, we've established the Laser Application Machine Department to provide the best customized solution with good quality and high performance for our customers. Quality first. Quality is the only way to win customer trust. Our professional team, with its rich experience, does its best to deliver the best products to customers. We introduce advanced technologies and instruments from Germany and Japan, while creating a comprehensive product control process to keep good quality and stable capacity. To meet the diverse requirements from our customers, Sogotec meets the strict domestic and foreign examination and certification standards. Our international certificates include ISO 9001 and CE, which is the reason why we are well trusted by our customers. R&D refinement. Only ongoing R&D can create innovation energy. We cultivate professional R&D talents and keep them in Taiwan. Our top-notch talents continue to engage in R&D and timely provide innovative development as well as local production. By creating leading technical advantages and an innovative research environment, we have obtained several patents from home and abroad and continue to acquire. Future vision. In the future, Sogotec will equally develop the 4 business units, fulfill its social responsibilities, richly cultivate Taiwan, create an industry with good probability, meet the international quality requirements, and keep up with international companies. We also create products with international quality and integrate global services to provide services anywhere. Your best partner. Sogotec Precision.